Hello, everybody. This is Dr. Premanand with Business Communication. And today we are going to talk about visual communication. Now, visual communication is something that we all see and we all, as the name suggests, it is basically the graphical representation of a message by one party to convey something from one person to another. It involves the transmission and interpretation of information by way of visual resources that can be read or also viewed. If you see, a visual communication can be transferred through objects, through graphs, tables, maps, photographs, videos, and even presentations. Visual communication can also be transmitted through icons. And what is an icon? An icon is any kind of shape used to show an explanation or to convey a message to the people as it is directed to. For example, you look into the icons that are shown to you, you can find a rocket, you can find a watch, you can find a toilet paper, you can find a clover, you can find a switch, you can find an electric bulb. So these are all different kinds of icons that we generally have. We could also have visual communication in terms of graphs. A graph is basically a diagram representing the relationship between variables or items. And different types of graphs are there, like the histogram, the frequency polygon, the bar graph, the line graph, or the pie chart. So these are used in different ways. For example, a line graph can be used to plot the company's profitability. We also have tables. Tables is also another form of visual communication, and tables would contain the data in or the facts or figures in rows and columns. So the data is organized in rows and columns. We also have maps, and maps would be a diagrammatic representation of a particular area. Nowadays, we have spots, we have locations with digital maps, with Google Maps, and all which are available. Waze, WAZD, these are all available, and along with printed maps also, you can find the location of a place very easily. So maps also would be one form of visual communication. Then you have photographs and videos. Photographs are pictures that we have clicked, which are used to describe anything in detail. For instance, suppose you want to you want to highlight the culture of a particular region. Photographs would be of great help here. You can see in the photo the Amazon rainforest. You can also see the Arctic winter forest. So photographs would be an excellent description to describe anything. In the same way, videos are also would be of great help. Video is also a form of visual communication, and that presently requires a player to play it. That is indicated by a right arrow button, and people learn a lot of skills through these new videos, especially in communication. In fact, you are also learning lot of information through videos, and this is one of the trending modes of communication. Presentation is also another form, which is in the form of slideshows. Here also I am using presentation through videos to communicate what visual communication means to you. So you have it's also called slideshows, and they are mainly used to convey points concerned in a topic. So this is visual communication for you. Thank you very much.